Entry doors are one of the most important features of any home, serving as the main point of access while also contributing to security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In Slidell, where humidity, rain, and changing weather conditions can affect home exteriors, proper installation is essential to ensure long-lasting performance. Even the highest quality door can fall short if it is not installed correctly. By understanding key installation tips, homeowners can protect their investment and enjoy reliable performance for years to come. One of the first and most critical steps in entry door installation is accurate measurement. Every doorway is slightly different, and even small discrepancies can lead to gaps or misalignment. Professional installers take precise measurements to ensure the new door fits perfectly within the frame. A properly sized door prevents drafts, improves insulation, and ensures smooth operation. Another essential factor is proper frame preparation. Before installing a new door, the existing frame must be inspected for damage, moisture, or structural issues. In Slidell's humid climate, frames can sometimes develop rot or warping. Addressing these problems before installation ensures that the new door has a stable and secure foundation. Skipping this step can lead to long-term performance issues. Creating a tight, weather-resistant seal is one of the most important aspects of installation. Entry doors must be able to keep out moisture, humidity, and outdoor air. Professional installers use high-quality weather stripping and sealants to close any gaps around the door. This not only improves energy efficiency but also protects the home from water intrusion during heavy rain. Proper alignment is also crucial. The door must be installed so that it sits level and square within the frame. If the door is not aligned correctly, it may not close properly or could place stress on hinges and hardware. Over time, this can lead to wear and reduced performance. A well-aligned door ensures smooth opening and closing while maintaining a secure seal. Another key tip is ensuring adequate insulation around the frame. The space between the door frame and the wall should be filled with insulation to prevent heat transfer and air leaks. In Slidell homes, this step helps maintain indoor comfort by keeping cool air inside during warmer months and reducing humidity infiltration. Flashing and moisture protection are especially important in this region. Proper flashing directs water away from the door opening, preventing it from seeping into the structure. Without effective moisture control, water can damage both the door and the surrounding walls. Professional installers understand how to integrate flashing with the door system for maximum protection. Hardware installation is another area that requires attention to detail. Hinges, locks, and handles must be installed and adjusted correctly to ensure smooth operation and security. High-quality hardware not only enhances functionality but also contributes to the door's durability. Testing all components after installation ensures everything works as intended. Ventilation and placement considerations can also impact performance. While entry doors are designed to seal tightly, their location and exposure to elements should be considered. Doors that face direct sunlight or heavy rain may require additional protective features such as overhangs or weather-resistant finishes. Professional installation also includes a thorough inspection and testing process. After the door is installed, it should be checked for proper alignment, sealing, and operation. This final step ensures that the door meets performance standards and is ready to handle Slidell's weather conditions. Maintenance planning is another important aspect. While modern entry doors are designed for durability, regular care helps extend their lifespan. Cleaning the surface, checking seals, and inspecting hardware periodically can prevent small issues from becoming larger problems. In addition to functional benefits, proper installation enhances the overall appearance of the home. A well-installed entry door sits evenly within the frame, with clean lines and a polished finish. This improves curb appeal and creates a welcoming entrance. Finally, working with experienced professionals is one of the best decisions homeowners can make. Professional installers have the tools, knowledge, and expertise to handle every aspect of the process. They ensure that the door is installed correctly the first time, saving homeowners time, money, and potential frustration. In conclusion, proper installation is essential for maximizing the performance of entry doors in Slidell homes. From accurate measurements and secure sealing to moisture protection and hardware adjustment, every step plays a role in durability and efficiency. By following these professional installation tips, homeowners can enjoy a secure, energy-efficient, and visually appealing entry door that stands up to the local climate.